Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon, sorry not evening, silly me. So we are going to start in about 10 minutes, less than 10 minutes, so if you want to start earlier, please hit the like button, thank you. This is the Alpha FX. Who's ready, guys? Come on, smash the like buttons if you want to start. We're only a few minutes away, but if you hit the like button, I'm going to start earlier. This is the After Effects.
This is a risk disclaimer. Trading any financial instrument involves a risk of capital loss. This stream is only for educational purposes and not investment advice. So try not to fuck it up. Past performance is not indicative of future results, and personal results in general are difficult to replicate. If you decide to watch, follow, and you screw up, you can only blame yourself. And now, click on the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching.
Trading is all about experience. It's to feel the adrenaline running through our veins. Like all the things we do that excite us. Whatever world we come from or live in, there are people that are born to succeed. They're called special, to hustle every day for an opportunity of a lifetime. Looking for the challenge to shape our future is something that's in our DNA. A privilege just available for a few. Traders, we see things differently, paying attention to every small detail that would maybe go unnoticed by the common eye. On or by the edge is our playground, with a constant strive for glory, seeking for a new tomorrow. Do you feel special? Take back control of your investments.
Oh, hello, welcome back guys, good afternoon, how are you today?
Afternoon.
I realized my mic wasn't on. Oh, good day to everyone.
Up, huh?
Sorry?
We're all pumped up.
Yeah. You should be. I mean, it's CPI day. It's a good day. So let me see what's happening on YouTube. You guys know what to do. You have my setup and everything, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, very good, very good. You know, this is as good as any other plan, but you know exactly what positions I'm having, you know exactly my stop loss, everything. So, you know, this is not a financial advice, but you have everything there. You're following me on my trading journey, so, you know, I shared everything, but this is not a financial advice. But let's have a look what's happening on YouTube. So we have almost 100 viewers, but only 40 likes, guys. So if you want this stream to keep going on, then please hit the like button now. Thank you so much. Why are you looking for the like button? Ian Casey on YouTube, we are ready for double lot. Oh, please don't do that. Okay, so today is CPI, which is an inflation data. The Fed is eagerly waiting to have a higher reading than expected so they can justify the rate hike, and it's going to be 50 basis points and not 25 in my opinion. So what do we know about the gold spot market today? Let's have a look. We know that 1830 was an extremely strong resistance level, and you know, people started shorting yesterday 1828, but we went long and we bagged about 200 pips profit. So sorry about not, we made it good. Today, however, gold spot price touched the previous daily high and then pulled back. Let me just zoom in to the screen so you can see it properly. So price tapped in the previous daily high, then pulled back. You can see that I marked the 1838 and 1845 area, extremely strong resistance level. We have monthly resistance, Fibonacci, and multiple other confirmations. If you look left, you see this consolidation. That is where the brokers were previously collecting orders. You know, there's a lot of... Oh yeah, okay, I shared the trading view, sorry. Thank you. But you know exactly because you saw the morning analysis. So it's just a recap of what I explained during the morning when I'm trying to help out, you know, our friends on YouTube as well, because, you know, we not going to leave anyone behind. So between 1838 and 1845, cluster of stop losses, loads of sell positions are sitting around at this level. So let me just mute, someone is really echoing. So you can see that, you know, cluster of stop losses sitting here because people are shorting. They were shorting at 1828, they're going to short here. So in my opinion, price should go a little bit higher to tap into that cluster of stop losses. It's stop loss hunt, it's nothing new, nothing old. But if we go just zoom in, how, oh god, how would it look like? So we have a cluster of stop losses. We know exactly that loads of sell positions are sitting at 1838. So in my opinion, what's going to happen on the gold market, I'm going to just delete this one because this is from yesterday. But in my opinion, gold during the CPI now is higher than expected CPI reading, meaning there is inflation, which is dollar positive news. But the gold market is going to react differently because yes, gold is heavily driven by the US dollar, but usually it's not concerned during the CPI with the dollar strength, it's concerned with inflation because gold is historically an inflation hedging asset. It's a store of value. We talked about it many times. So what is expected if we have a higher than expected or in line with expectations reading, then you can expect a short-term effect that gold is going to, you know, maybe pull down a little bit before CPI, but as soon as we have a higher than expected reading or as expected reading, it's going to push up. That is what is expected. Despite the Fed was really clear that they're going to clamp down on inflation, we have the inflation effect and every single CPI turns out the same way. If you have a higher than expected reading, gold pushes up. Maybe it's, you know, $10-15, but if you can catch the $10-15 move, trust me, you're going to be fine for the rest of the month. Now, as soon as gold taps into this, you know, cluster of liquidity, the cluster of stop losses, you can expect, as with any high impact news, you can expect a pullback. Now, I don't recommend to bet on, you know, which is going to be the top, where is it going to reverse, because, you know, once price hits this cluster of stop losses and there's going to be a short squeeze. So as the shorts are getting squeezed and as the shorts are getting stopped out, someone on the other side of the market is going to buy, and that is going to push gold even higher, and there's a possibility that it's going to spill over to 1847, 1849. You don't want to get caught out in this bloodbath. So the wise decision would be, the wise trading would be, if you wait until price breaks this trend line, breaks the previous market structure and breaks the previous daily open and daily low, and when it does, it's going to break with an impulse move to the downside, and then we're going to wait for the retest. Maybe we're going to have head and shoulders, we don't know yet. And remember, this is not a financial advice, this is merely speculation based on my previous experience. So when price comes back to retest this area, that is going to be the conservative entry you want to enter on. Am I right, team? This is what we're waiting for. And then how far it's going to drop, I don't know. This is one scenario, but what if, based on the current geopolitical tension, what if the situation on gold, you know, not central governments are buying gold, China, Russia, they're both buying gold, shitloads of gold. I explained in my Sunday video. What if, you know, this geopolitical tension and the high inflation reading is going to push gold even higher highs? You see that we have this descending trend line, we have this closing in wedge, and let me just show you something. If price, you know, price loves to consolidate. I already drew these a couple of weeks ago, that gold price loves to consolidate for months, for weeks, for years, but as soon as it breaks out from the consolidation, it moves thousands of pips. And what does this look like to you? It's a wedge, isn't it? So as soon as it breaks out, it's going to move thousands of pips. But let's focus on the short term because you know, loads of uncertainty, and we just want to make some money, take the money and get out from the market. Right, that is all I have for today, guys. I think I explained it pretty well, but if you don't understand something, please let me know. I'm more than happy to answer. Floor is yours. Thank you so much.
I keep staying in pound USD, Thomas.
I'm still in GBP USD.
Me too.
Yeah, so let me show you to our wonderful viewers on YouTube that this is my current position. Oops, I'm going to just hide this. So GBP USD, beautiful entry today, wasn't it? Absolutely perfect.
Yes.
Yeah, it's running in 42 pips in profit. You know, what else can you ask for? Beautiful day, beautiful ending of the week. So yeah, now we're just waiting, observing. We have 21 minutes, guys.
Thomas, I
Yes,
have
chef.
to say, at the micro pip, exact the same entry with pound USD. 343, the last digit for me too.
Yeah.
Not joking.
Well,
I
you
think
know,
that's funny.
great minds think alike.
Yes.
So let me show you to.
I think that close it soon. I went in with a little bit bigger lot, 4 lot sizes.
Oh wow. Well, I had 8 lots, but I closed down half of it.
Okay.
So
So
yeah,
it's
I already
18 now.
bagged 1,000 pounds today. So Raul, my great friend, he was explaining that we had today one single trade the whole day, GBP USD, and that GBP USD trade, this was what I shared earlier in the morning, and this is what it looks like in execution.
It's my only, now with Euro USD, my only 2 trades for the whole week.
Yeah, and it paid dearly.
Yeah.
Yeah, 40 pips, you know, you enter with the higher lot, tighter stop loss, you're done for the whole week. If you're doing a challenge,
Yep.
that can make or break your challenge.
It's
That can
half
make
your
your challenge. Yeah,
Then you have need 2 trades to have an 50k challenge. Simple is it?
come on guys on YouTube, we have 148 viewers and 68 likes. It's really disappointing.
Wagwan.
Wagwan,
Wagwan.
Rayon. Oh, I had 4 coffees today, but don't tell my wife. I had, she knows about 3.
Yeah, that's crazy. Everything good though.
Yeah,
Hang
perfect.
on, come on. Single shot or double shot?
Oh, single. And I'm ready to mingle.
Okay.
That's why you have the coffee.
Yeah, it's not. What is the triple shot coffee?
Anxiety.
Oh god. Let's have a look on YouTube. Oh, we had 68 likes, now we have 87. It's very good, guys. Thank you so much. Keep pressing that like button. I think you can only press it once, but, you know, try it twice. Maybe it works. So, oh god. After CPI, I'm gonna head out. I'm gonna start the weekend early. So this is for the members that tomorrow I'm gonna be off. No morning briefing. I probably going to share some analysis depending on what time I wake up. But I'm going to have a day off. It's been a busy week. Loads of excitement, loads of pips.
You deserve it, mate.
Thank you so much. Let me change the music for YouTube.
Raul, are they at work?
Yes. You too?
No, I'm home.
Oh. You're working horses and you have luxury horses.
Are you working today, Raul?
Yes.
Are you in the
But I can
office?
listen. I'm in the office with my big friend, the dog.
Ah,
At
a
my
home
work.
office.
No, at work. I take my dog to work.
Oh,
Recently I purchased, while we're waiting, we have 15 minutes guys, so let's kill some time. So I purchased this Aperture MC something. It's a battery light. It costs like, I think, £100 or £140, so it's quite expensive, but I use it for videos and etc. And this has a really cool effect. If I can find it. This is a cop car.
Oh, cool.
The other day I was going to town, picking up some takeaway food, and some idiot just cut in the line, and I was like, for fuck's sake, seriously? There was a long line, and you know, as a good citizen, I was at the beginning, but at the end of the queue, so I waited for my queue, and then he just cut everyone in the line. So I just put this lamp into my dashboard. and he pulled over and said, "I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, sir."
that's nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. What do we have to say about it?
So someone's asking, did I cut my loss on USD CAD? Well, have a look at my position in USD CAD, my friend. The other one, the position, I closed it in break even, so it wasn't a loss. Casey YOLO, first time in your live analysis, impressive, thank you so much. Yeah, most likely I'm going to close down USD CAD when the news comes, but I'm expecting a dollar bullish news, so you know, in theory that should push USD CAD. So how about I place my stop loss higher, so just in case. The worst case scenario, I make £452. It's not a bad day rate. Right. And put some other music. So short and BD ask, may I know which broker you are with? I'm with FOREX and IC Markets, so I have two accounts, but recently I'm using more FOREX. I tried them for a few months, and I have to say, pretty impressive. Today I had, today I submitted a withdrawal request, and literally within, you know, a couple of hours, everything was approved and sent. So the fastest. IC Market was minimum 24 hours.
Nice.
Good morning, Muhammad. Let's have a look. We have 50 people watching the Zoom. I think we never had 50 people, so that's a new high. Andrew G, Biodun, Francis, Gayatri, welcome. Who else we have? Usual cool kids, Marwan, Nick, Race. Oh, we have Tamara as well. Vigets?
Hi.
Hello, hello, Vigets?
Fine, thank you.
Good, good. Are you ready for CPI?
Yes, I'm
Good.
excited. I'm waiting to see what's gonna happen.
Yeah, if you're not confident, don't trade it, because you know it can be volatile, because we don't know what is the data reading, so you know it can go
Yeah,
either
I
way.
know. I stay out of it. I just watch patiently.
Yeah, that's a
And
very,
learn.
very wise. You know, that's why I like female traders, because they have a sense of, you know, IQ, that, you know, they just observe. Less ego.
Hopefully, future will tell.
Indeed. a bit too trappy music. We have 11 minutes until CPI data release. So guys in YouTube, if you want me to go through again on the analysis, please let me know in the chat section if you want me to explain it again. €155 and only 103 likes. 33% is missing, guys.
This is the longest 10 minutes of my life.
Oh, have you tried planking in a group exercise?
Blank.
Actually I went to a yoga class once, and it was one of the hardest hour in my life. Unbelievable how much strength you need to survive a yoga class. And I looked like an idiot, but you know, having big ego, I was like, no, I can do it. But that was like falling over.
Yeah, I don't know what planking is.
I show you. I will show you.
Okay.
Right now.
No, not now. I can't plank on the table. So Prashansha asked me to explain my view again, so I'm gonna be really quick because we have only 9 minutes left, guys. So, you know, we have to hurry. So my view is that price is going to tap down to 1828, 1830, and then if and only if we have a higher than expected inflation data, meaning that inflation is higher than expected, so which is, you know, dollar bullish and gold bullish. So don't get fooled by the dollar positive variable of the equation, because CPI is different than any other news. We're focusing on inflation. Gold is inflation hedging asset, therefore if the news is bullish, dollar bullish, so there's higher than expected inflation, then gold is going to go up. So what I'm expecting is price to tap down if we have volatility, and if we have higher than expected reading, it should tap into this cluster of liquidity, cluster of sells at around 1840, 1845, but I'm aiming for 1838. So you can see my position in MetaTrader. 1838 is the ultimate profit I'm taking, and then I don't want to get caught out in the whiplashes, in the upside down movements. I just make the money, take the money, and that's it for the day. So let's have a look. I hope it was clear. If you have any questions, ask. We have 8 minutes left. €173 and 110 likes. Something isn't right, or maybe my math is wrong. So Sophia in the community asking, how about if lower than expected? That's another scenario as well. However, if it's lower than expected, I don't expect such a big drop, but you know, anything is possible. I'm prepared 1 or 2 scenarios today. If it doesn't go as planned, I'm just not going to trade it. But rule of thumb, if higher than expected, if inflation is high, then price should react bullishly on gold. If it's in line with expectation or a little bit lower, or is it, you know, there's not much difference between the actual and the forecast, then usually gold just doesn't react as aggressively as it usually. But you know, anything is possible. I've seen many people shorting gold, but be ready for every possible scenarios. Do not risk anything what you can afford to lose. And you know, this is not financial advice. This is only I'm showing my view and my opinion on the market. So you are the only person who's pulling the trigger. Remember that. And now heading down, exactly as I draw up on the chart. And back again. So I need some help from the viewers on YouTube. Should I close down my position? I have one USD CAD and one GBP USD position. One is running in 42 pips profit. The other one is 143. So what do you recommend? Should I close down the position before the CPI or not?
Wow, it's not moving. So exciting.
Hi Phoebe. Sanjay says please close it. Yeah, probably it's wise before the CPI.
Everyone is waiting in silence.
Yeah, everyone's excited. Probably most of the traders who never traded CPI and FB, but it's just another day for me. I don't feel anything. You know, I'm hyped up because we have 178 viewers on YouTube, but I'm pissed off because we only have 119 likes. So it just doesn't add up. And we have 3 minutes.
I just missed the morning briefing today because I was at university again.
But you know, you can rewatch it on the website.
For sure, yeah. Yeah, I know.
It's all recorded.
I
Morning
watched
briefing,
it when
10th of February,
I came
Thursday.
back. Mm-hmm.
Everything is on the website.
Whoa, I think I have the same position with you in GBP/USD.
You're the third person today.
Yeah, and I didn't even look at your signals.
That's good. Great
Yeah.
minds think alike.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, Pablo, I'm always crying because of the likes. Because if you have 170 viewers and only 130 likes, it means 40 people are, you know, just free riding. They're not giving back anything. And we have 1 minute. Let's switch back to TradingView. Now remember guys, this is not the financial advice, this is mainly just observing the market. And you have the privilege to listen in to the discussion.
Whoa,
Remember
1
that-
minute left.
Yeah, remember that, you know, higher than expected reading is dollar positive, but also gold bullish. Okay. And the data should be out. Whoa! 7.5. That is bullish for gold.
Heading down as well.
It is heading down. Hey, first stop loss hit. Fucking gold. It does every single time. If first it goes down, and then it raids, you know, the stop losses. So gold took out the previous daily low and previous daily open, which could give a really good foundation or support for a bullish move to the upside. Remember that high inflation is gold positive news. So this, what we saw now, this pullback, it could be, you know, just a pullback, just an overreaction, but you don't have to be afraid because of the pullbacks. It's just another opportunity to enter. And I closed down my GBP USD position because, you know, it's a dollar positive news, so GBP USD is going down. But I have my USD CAD open. So Savage Henry, the fib says that price, depending on where you put it, but it tapped into well-known buy levels. So we're just going to observe. What positions do you guys have on the Zoom?
Stop. Here, I got none.
I was still having some open position short, but small lots. I took with you the long one, but stopped out. That's fine.
I went out GPY, GU, except the highest point.
I closed it a bit lower.
Closed it completely.
It's good. Wise man.
Yes.
Pablo says his icy market's just frozen. Of course, because every trader trying to deposit money now. They got stopped out and they're looking for the bank card. Oh, where's the bank card? I need to deposit more money. Why the fish is gold going down?
Jobless claims are positive, you say.
Ah. Yeah, I forgot about that. Yes.
So you had mixed
same
news.
Same. Investors and traders are confused now.
Yes.
But but that's you know, lower than expected is positive for the dollar.
Yeah.
So we might see this time on CPI actually dollar strength is having more weight in the equation. Interesting. USD CAD is going up very nicely.
Nicely.
Yeah.
Fuck.
I just bought gold now.
I'm in minus 60 pips right now, but you know it should pull back up. I'm going to try to split the screen so you can see both of my positions. Yeah, it's going to be better. Yeah, so you can see my pips.
Oh.
Come on, gold.
Come on, gold.
Downloads. I need to make a continuous mix because right now I'm changing the music every single time when one of the tracks is finishing. It's a lot of job, a lot of work to do.
You're a DJ now.
Hmm?
You're a DJ now.
I am indeed.
Nice.
So, I quit.
Thomas, quick chat with you.
Hey, is it Alok?
No, it's Mano.
Oh, Mano, how are you?
Good. Thomas, I just closed my position at 1830 earlier because I had my TP. Then I had another TP at 1822.
Oh, you sell position?
Yeah, I had a sell position, so now I made both. But now I'm just curious, will it go down further or shall I proceed to buy? What do you think? What's your suggestion?
You know exactly what's my suggestion. I explained it like 5 times today. You know exactly. I'm still bullish. You see my positions on the screen. I mean, does it need more explanation than that?
Oh, sorry. No, I just came in.
No, it's fine. It's fine. It's there. I'm in a long on gold and long on USD CAD. So it's now just wait and see.
Yeah, I guess I missed a very good entry point earlier.
I think it would be nice shorting AU now anytime from next 15 or 30 minutes.
Okay, I'm gonna close down the USD CAD position. It's I've been sitting in there for like 2 weeks now, and I think the time has come now. So goodbye USD CAD. Goodbye USD CAD.
I'm in profit, almost $500.
Of what? Gold?
Yes.
Right on. You're a good trader then. Well done.
Thank you, Thomas.
It wasn't me, darling. It was you. We pulled the trigger.
That wasn't me.
Yeah.
I watch it and enjoy it. I did a quick scalp and I'm done for today. No stress.
And both positions are... Nah, it was both positions in profit, but now it's back again. One of them in drawdown. That's not good. And back again in profit. Hey! Who's with me?
Yeah, I am.
And now, exactly what I explained. Always trust the economist in the house.
What?
Come on, baby.
Yeah. Big foul for Thomas. Good one, mate. Awesome.
Do I get a random applause? Do I get a random applause?
Yeah. Definitely. Nice one, bro.
Good job, man. Good job.
Thank you so much, guys. Hey, Michelle.
Holy fuck.
Good job, man.
Bravo.
Thank you so much. I was a little bit scared when it pulled back, but you know, it always does during the news. So now just waiting.
Sorry, where's your TP at for that? Is it 1845, is it?
Yes, but I'm gonna... One of them is probably going to close down manually soon.
Okay.
Yeah, Thomas, you had a shorter TP, didn't you?
Yeah, I had 36, but then the first position got closed out.
Okay.
Okay, so I logged in 3 grand. That's enough profit for the day.
Well, I've you know, I've not been in a great mindset, so I've really pumped up on my MFF. So,
hey, Alan.
Hi there. Before this, I was in serious drawdown, and now I'm slightly up. So
that's better than big drawdown.
Basically, I was getting to the shit or bust stage. So basically, I made 10,000 on that.
Wow, that's good.
I know, but it could have went terribly wrong, but at the same time, yeah, you know what I mean.
Yeah, risky. That was your challenge account, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I think people forgot that you said to use smaller sizing as well. That's pretty important.
It's very important to use smaller sizing, but like I said, on the account, it's getting to the point where I'm not got too much time. I was you know, nearly 10 grand down in drawdown. So, you know, sometimes you just got to have a punt, because I wouldn't normally do that. I certainly wouldn't do it normally, but on this occasion, yeah, had to go.
Right, stop loss is hitting break even, but is one of the happiest stop loss hits the whole year. So thank you so much. I think we're pretty much done for the day.
Great job, Thomas. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Spot on.
Wagwan. Okay. Now the positions are closed down. Let's go back to TradingView and see what do we have on the charts. Because you gold diggers, I know you've been waiting for another position to re-enter the market and make more money, but you know, be careful. So we had 156 pips whiplash, which you know, I hate this, but you know, it paid dearly, so it was good. Let me just change the music for the benefit and joy of the YouTube viewers, only if they hit the like button. Otherwise I'm going to put Justin Bieber on. So 150, almost 160 pips of whiplash. Disgusting, dirty move. But do you remember what did I say at the beginning of the stream and in the morning, that I expect price to pull down? It went lower than I expected, But now, you know, exactly as I explained, take out the previous daily low. This is why it's important. You mark your lows, your highs, your opens, your closes. And, you know, price was, gold was following this kind of structure. Took out the previous daily low and then the high, or the high and the low. So it was expected a draw up that price would take out this and then go all the way up to 1838, which it didn't yet, just 70 cents shy away. But based on the CPI reading, gold is bullish, and I still expect price is going to come up to 1838 or even a little bit higher. Do you want to short it from there? Absolutely not, because I think we're going to have a bigger push to the upside. But, you know, I closed the profit. You know, maybe if it goes higher, I could have made more money, but, you know, the only profit is what you lock and you realize, not the unrealized. So if price comes back to this level, well, we have now a floor, because price just gave us a floor, 1822, 1824. Let's go to 1824, 1823. So if price comes back down to retest, we have a good chance, or the possibility, because it's not a financial advice, that, you know, price is going to retest 1824, 1823, and then is going to continue its way higher. If we switch to the line chart, you can see exactly that. What is the direction? It's clearly bullish as fuck. Yeah. So that is what I have for forecast for the rest of the day. I don't want to give anything else. Officially, I'm starting my weekend now.
Just before you go, Thomas, you're something on US 30.
Oh, US 30. Well, I'm bearish on US 30. Without looking at the US 30 chart, I think it went down.
Yes, of course.
Yeah, and do you know why it went down? Because high inflation data.
Yeah.
High inflation, higher costs. Yeah, basically.
Indeed. If the companies in the US 30, which is, you know, it's industrial companies like Caterpillar and all that, if they have higher cost, because they're swimming in debt, if the inflation goes up, the cost of borrowing is going to go up, meaning that the repayment on the monthly repayment on the loans are going to be higher and higher. Now, this is one side of the story. Also, they have pressure on the wages, because, you know, higher inflation means that a decent, good company must increase the wages, minimum inflation following. So they have to raise wages 7% for all employees. Man, that's a lot of money. So you see this double whammy. On one hand, cost is increasing. On the other hand, another cost is increasing, which means they have to take away money from somewhere. First, they have to make money by passing on the additional cost to the consumers, you, me, and, you know, your grandma and everyone. And also, they have to take money from the dividends, meaning that investors are going to get less dividends each quarter, which is not good, because then they're going to say, you know, I'm not going to take my money to the government, who's going to give me a nice government bond, less risk, and fixed yield. So that is why US 30 is going down.
Thank you, Thomas.
But we have a good strategy, I saw, man. But then we have to join the gold cartel.
Oh, don't even talk about them. They're
Sorry
a bunch.
for my sarcasm.
No, it's you know, if anybody wants to learn real economics and real trading, I mean, I gave you a perfect example of what is trading about. When you have a trading plan, and I wrote up my trading plan in the morning, you know exactly on Discord. It's and where is the my Discord is on the screen for YouTube. I sent out a fairly detailed analysis. Who read my memo on gold this morning?
Yeah.
Me.
Yay! So, trading is about preparing for the possibilities. And today at 4:35 a.m. 4:35 a.m. I sent this memo about CPI, what is expected, how you should trade it, what is the effect, and you know, I wrote clearly that, you know, if CPI is higher than expected, then you should go for a buy. And then I sent out a chart about the previous inflation data. Then I sent out the full analysis about what do I expect. Then I sent out my positions with my stop losses and TP from my MetaTrader straight into the analysis group. So I think I can't do anything more, but this is real trading. You weighing up the possibilities, because this is a numbers game, this is a probability game. So you're weighing up the possibilities, the probabilities, and whichever has the highest probability, you bet your money on it. That is trading. But you have to have a trading plan, you have to have a risk management, otherwise it's the end of the game. So in a summary, that is what trading about. And we have 62 viewers in Zoom. That is a record. But anyway, I talked enough now, so the floor is yours, guys.
Well, Damas, your memo was really good. It was really helpful. That's how I managed to set my positions. But I'm really thankful for you sharing the memo.
Thank you so much. I'm glad someone's reading those long, boring, dry memos.
I read this one.
Oh, it's good. Sorry, Thomas,
Okay.
what's the target profit again for the gold?
Whenever you hit your daily target. I mean, with these whiplashes, I would say as soon as you make some money, take example of what I did just now. As soon as I was in profit, in good profit, I closed it down and I was out from the market. I don't want to get caught out in, you know, prices dropping on a on any other news or, you know, hysteria.
Okay.
But the initial profit target is still 1838 and a little bit higher. So people are asking, how can they join the community? Well, I'll show you, because we have a scammer on Telegram who's pretty fucking annoying. Let me just change the music. So the only way is, you know, via the website of the AlphaFX. And I'm gonna be silent for a second. If the members have any comment or feedback, for others who wants to join, feel free to give feedback live on YouTube. I'm not going to moderate or mute anyone. Your honest opinion, feel free to speak if you have something to say.
Do it.
Yeah, do it. Improved my trading immensely. So that's all I'll say. It's been really good.
This is my experience, Thomas. I have many teacher, but this is now since I joined with AlphaFX, I focus at AlphaFX community. That's a very useful. That's I leave the others mentor. I
Thank you so much.
The tricks.
Thank you so much. And you know what, it feels good because I know that Hari is a well-respected surgeon, a doctor, from thousands of miles away, and you know this is a really good feedback from a person who is actually saving lives and much smarter than me. So thank you so much. I'm really humbled.
Yeah, I would personally say with this that, you know, if you're looking for you know, if you're looking for lots of empty promises and lots of signals, buy this, sell this now, and all this sort of thing, then forget it. But if you really want to learn to trade, and in a group of very good traders, very largely very good traders who are very open and honest with their views, and you do get plenty of shared charts, so you know you do get lots of information there. But most of all, you learn how to analyze yourself, and you learn how to look at the charts and look at look at all the areas to see where you think you should buy or sell. And you know, to me, that's completely invaluable. So
thank you.
And Thomas is an open, honest person who basically tells you as it is. He doesn't tell you he's going to do something stupid. He gives you objective advice, and his economic background certainly helps with that. Anyway, that's just my 2
Thank
pennies.
you so much.
Thomas.
Thanks. Yeah.
You know
How long?
what happened?
You're really echoing.
Oh, sorry. Wait.
That's okay.
Hello?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Better now? When I put the order, my app stopped functioning. I was so freaking scared.
Whoa! Did it freeze down?
Yeah, it freezed out. I was trying to log in, and then finally I managed to close it in profit. But oh my god, that was so scary. And that's the first experience.
Wow. It happened with me many times, especially with IC markets. They always freeze down.
Yeah. I'm using OctaFX, but frustrating.
Yeah, but you closing profit?
Yeah, kind of.
Okay, that's good. Even if it's break even or small. It's still frozen down?
No. Yeah, it's still freezing, but yeah, could manage to close it.
Oh man, don't scare me. Okay,
next time I will make an order.
For the good feedbacks, those who want to join, if you go to the website, I'm throwing in a 50% discount. It's only for 1 hour. All you have to do is go and add Alpha 50. Oh, what happened? And then you get 50%, 40% off. So this is my gift for you guys for the good day. We had some really, really good trades.
Thomas,
yes.
don't forget to tell them that's a lifetime membership.
Yeah, I mean, there's not going to be discount until next month, so if anyone wants to join, feel free to do it. One thing you have to know, guys, that any income from the Alpha FX goes to a charity fund. I only told it to the admins in the group a few months ago, but the Alpha FX gives job to one accountant, one administrator, and everything else goes into a charity fund because, you know, you see I'm trading on live, so I decided that this is going to a care home where my grandma is. So any money comes in, it goes into charitable fund. But anyway, I think we had a good day today. I wish everyone a relaxing weekend, guys. I'm gonna be taking the day off tomorrow. Do you approve it?
Definitely approved. Yeah, you deserve it, mate.
No, we don't approve.
You deserve it.
Okay, guys. Right. Thank you so much.
I'm joking, guys.
Great week. Good week. Good job.
Have a good weekend, Thomas.
Thank you, guys. Stay safe. See you on Monday, 8 AM for the members. This is the Alpha FX. Thank you so much.
Thomas, bye from India.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye. Thank you.
Trading is all about experience. It's to feel the adrenaline running through our veins. Like all the things we do that excite us. Whatever world we come from or live in, there are people that are born to succeed. They're called special, to hustle every day for an opportunity of a lifetime. Looking for the challenge to shape our future is something that's in our DNA. A privilege just available for a few. Traders, we see things differently, paying attention to every small detail that would maybe go unnoticed by the common eye. On or by the edge is our playground. With a constant strive for glory, seeking for a new tomorrow. Do you feel special? Take back control of your investments.